My name's Pam. I'm from Dartford area. I've done quite a few courses. I started off by doing the property renovation course, which was 6 weeks, and then I extended 2 of the weeks into 2 more 6-week courses or 5-week courses, and I have just recently finished the kitchen fitting course, and this week I'm on natural stone tiling. My dad was in property renovation and I've always wanted to do that, so I have attended some different kind of courses but never actually taken the plunge, and I realised last year that I was really creative and practical, so I decided that I would actually not get a job in September and just undertake the courses and see where it led, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I did carpentry almost a year ago now, I think it was last October. So when I was doing the kitchen fitting course, yeah, I was more confident. I could actually explain to somebody else how to use the saw properly. It was quite funny. Yes, yeah, absolutely. I think you get more confidence. Initially, I was looking for a kitchen fitting and a bathroom fitting course. But unfortunately, Able Skills didn't do that at the time, so I plumped for the 6 weeks renovation, property renovation, and then as I found I liked particular courses, I enrolled onto those. So initially it's for property renovations with a view to and up-leveling my skills and renovating houses. That was my initial aim going on this course. I wanted to, like I said, do kitchen fitting, bathroom fitting, but really I had the intention of renovating houses in whatever form that took. So I wanted to get an idea of what skills I needed and up-level myself, which I did. And then I found that I liked particular courses and yeah, decided to do longer courses in tiling and painting and decorating. I enjoy tiling and decorating because I think they use the same skills. I did really enjoy kitchen fitting. Yeah, I think carpentry, probably because I always wanted to do that as a hobby. So I'd say that's probably my favourite. I came in and I thought, I don't need to do painting and decorating. I've done my fair share. But actually, I left that to last. I regret that. Because there's clearly lots of things that you learn and you don't know what you're going to be good at. So yeah, I was quite surprised by the end of the first week, in both tiling and painting and decorating, that I really wanted to do some more. But test out, I think I would not book the whole lot of courses in one go. So in 6 weeks, I would have taken one and then decided whether I wanted to do more. I think that probably would have worked better. But yeah, I think forget the preconceptions. Take it as it comes. I found Able online. I did a search for kitchen fitting and bathroom fitting, and 2 or 3 came up. One was in Wales, one was nearby, but this was actually the best in terms of what it covered in the 6-weeker. So because of the locality, it's probably only a couple of miles from my house, I decided to come here. It's yeah, very good facilities. Tutors are great. I found everybody's really patient. Yeah, even when I think I maybe got the prize for the slowest student, but yeah, I like to take my time, but ever so patient, and we'll go over and above for showing you how to do things and the tricks of the trade, of course. Yes, I feel the support was second to none. It was very engaging. All the tutors have different styles and approaches, but yes, very patient, very methodical. We worked through, we knew exactly what we were doing on any given day, and yeah, any questions we felt at ease to ask, or I should say I felt at ease to ask. Highlight, I have to say, was the plumbing. because I think that was the most eye-opening in terms of skills. So I went from not even being able to bend a pipe, use a soldering iron. So we started off with pipe bending and cutting, and by the end of the week we had installed a whole bathroom and radiator system, tested it out and drained it, and luckily I had no leaks. So that was brilliant. Yeah, so that was the most, that was the highlight, I think. I'm coming back next year to do the Sitting Guilds in Carpentry and Joinery. So that will be most of next year. It's unlikely I'll do anything else in that time, but I've decided the best approach is to do the courses at the weekends, so I can actually work at the same time and see how it goes. Yes, so I have got work lined up. I have actually done some work since finishing, painting, decorating. I've got some tiling lined up, 2 lots of tiling. Yeah, all good stuff. I've enjoyed it.